To snack or not to snack? So, when it comes to losing weight and blood sugar balance, there's some controversy around whether you should snack or not. And it comes down to understanding the context in which it may be helpful, where it may be detrimental and slow your weight loss. So, ideally, to get the most weight loss, you want to keep your insulin low. So that means that in between meals, when you're not snacking, that's when your insulin can get the lowest because you're not eating anything to stimulate it. So ideally, you eat three whole food, low carb meals per day, prioritizing protein and fiber through non starchy vegetables with a bit of fat to give you that satiation and support your nervous system and all the other amazing things that fat does in your body. And then in between meals, you would not eat anything at all. And then that way you would have all the nourishment you need and then get that break multiple times in the day where you're not stimulating any insulin and you're just completely going as deep as you can into fat burning mode. So that's another reason why, like not eating after dinner is really effective for weight loss. In fact, if all you did was, eat before sunset and not eat anything till the end of the night, even if you didn't change your diet, I can bet you anything that you will experience some weight loss just by that one change.